When researching keywords, one of the tools that I really enjoy using is Raven Keyword Manager. This allows you to look at your keywords many different ways, but also provide a lot of competitive information that could be helpful in deciding which keywords are worth going after and which keywords have a lot more competition. This way you can set your expectations reasonably. One of the first things you'll see in Raven is the Keyword Manager. It shows you the keyword, how many times that keyword has been searched, and the competition level. You can easily add keywords through the Add Keyword function, and you can add as many as you want directly from your spreadsheets into Raven SEO. You can add the keyword, and immediately it will go query the search engines, add the information so that you can begin comparing. One of the tools that I really enjoy is Keyword Insights, which will connect to your Google Analytics and look at the keywords that you currently rank for, and then show you some information about how those visitors, once they come to the site, what they're doing. We can see for this keyword that we have a 100% bounce rate. That means that the person that came to the website for that keyword, they saw that page and left immediately. Now the Research tab is where I like to spend a lot of time. Research Central is what gives you a lot of information about the keywords you're interested in ranking for. So you go to the Research, add your keyword, and then sit back and look at the information as it comes out. Now we have a lot of information that's being shown to you here for the phrase hiking in Southern California. Now it's very easy to get lost in the weeds in seeing all of this data and trying to decide if this is the right keyword or wrong keyword. What this does is just gives you the information to set the expectancy. Because if you expect to compete automatically for this term, you need to have a good idea of what you're up against. So first of all, Raven is going to show you the Google Trends, the monthly search volume, then the competition level. Now we can see for the search volume and the trend that there's a low competition level. However, what's interesting is when we get into how many domains or how many URLs use the phrase hiking Southern California in the title, or how many use those three words in the domain name, or in the URL, such as a page name, .htm or .php or something like that. And also how many websites use those phrases in the link text or anchor text. It'll also go out and get the information from the volume so that you can see it here. We can also look at the Competitor tab, and this will give us a good overview of what websites are ranking for hiking in Southern California. It will show you all of the information that you need to look at the competition. How many links to that domain, how many links that are passing authority to those domains, the trust, the domain authority, and the page authority. It's a good idea to spend some time looking to see what that means, trust flow, domain authority, and page authority, as these are all search engine optimization terms that help you determine the level of competition and the authority of the domains that you're competing against for specific keywords. You can put your domain in there as well and see how it stacks up in terms of trust, authority, by domain, and by page. Raven is an excellent tool set that allows you to manage your keywords as well as manage your website and your search engine optimization campaigns.